Today, we're going to build a really fun little app together. You'll be able to enter your favorite movies into a web interface, save them into a database, and then get a random movie suggestion from your own list. It's a perfect mini project to learn how to connect Streamlit with MongoDB, and it's actually useful too. First, let's talk about the code we have so far. At the top, we're importing 3 libraries: Streamlit for the UI, pymongo to connect with MongoDB, and random for selecting a movie later. We're setting a title for the app, and we've got a text input where you can type in the name of a movie. Below that, we have 2 buttons. One is for saving the movie, and the other is for getting a random movie suggestion. Right now, those buttons don't do anything. We'll add the logic in just a moment. If you want to go deeper into how Streamlit works, feel free to check out my Streamlit playlist on my YouTube channel. I explain everything step by step there. Next, let's install the libraries we need. For this project, you'll need Streamlit and pymongo. You can install them using a simple terminal command. It's showing on the screen right now. Just run that and we'll be ready to go. Now that the libraries are installed, let's run the Streamlit app. You can use a single command to launch it. Again, it's on the screen. Once you do that, your browser should open automatically. And there it is, a clean little web app with a title, an input field, and 2 buttons. Right now, we're just missing the database part. Before we can save anything, we need to connect to MongoDB. So I'm stopping the app. You can do the same by pressing Control-C in the terminal. Now we connect to the database and add some logic. We connect to MongoDB using Mongo client, define the database and the collection, and then update our button logic. The Save Movie button will take the text from the input and insert it into the MongoDB collection, but only if the input isn't empty. If the field is empty, we show a warning. The Suggest Me a Movie button goes into the database, grabs all the saved movies, picks one randomly, and shows it on the screen. If no movies are found, we show an error message. That's it. Very simple and very effective. Let's start the app again. The interface looks the same, but now it's fully functional. Let's test it out. I'm going to quickly add 5 movies to the database, just typing them in and clicking Save Movie each time. Now let's click Suggest Me a Movie, and there it is. It picked one randomly from the ones I added. And don't forget, if you want to learn more about Streamlit, check out my playlist for more advanced projects. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.